covering from east to west, north to the south. Here we chant it out.
Who to be conscious?
Yes, I. Slash, yeah.
Not sure.
Hear me now. From me, I'm driving on my car. You hear it from afar. Roots and me, I'm trumpet hard. When heritage, they pan a stage show. How this you feel no strictly roots and we are trumpet hard. So until they hanya, a roots you are go get. Roots are with culture, and this we not forget. So whether near or far, earth, moon or star, over everything else, yeah.
I am one of those people, you know, everybody who does an interview always have one question that they are pressing to ask. And my question is, who wrote this song, Put It On Me?
Put It On Me. That one started with Peter. Like I say, we always all come together. We make up an idea, and then we'll say, all right, you write your verse. So that one, it was written by Morgan Heritage. And everybody was the lead on that, and myself, and you know, we all just come together and finalize
and put in the lyrics. Because I watched the video, and I'm like, let me see who is emotionally invested in this song.
It's a beautiful song.
It is a beautiful song. It is a beautiful song.
This video was shot in Africa.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
In Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Oh, in Nigeria? Oh wow. Nice, nice.
This part was shot in Nigeria.
Oh wow. Oh really? Oh nice,
really?
nice. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is a beautiful song, and of course, you know, with this song, and then you look at the videos and stuff, you know, it's
a very playful video.
Yes, it is. It is. It's very interesting because, you know, like I played several times, you know, you watch the video, you play the song, and it's really a good song. Yeah. So today it is Mojo's birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. So maybe I'm gonna have Graham sing happy birthday to Mojo.
Oh, absolutely.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mojo. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, I.
Thank you very much. Thank you for saying happy birthday. You are welcome. You are welcome.